Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung astrological reading natin para sa mga Virgo. Pag-uusapan natin yung new moon and full moon. Be sure to check your natal chart, especially your rising sign, sun sign, and moon sign. Yeah, let's start your reading. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, pa-subscribe na lang. Ma-appreciate ko yung comment ninyo. Kahit po heart-heart lang, ayan, malaking bagay sa akin yan. Nagpapakita ng malaking suporta, pagmamahal, at saka nagiganahan ako mag-reading pag may mga nagla-like. Okay? So, let's start your reading, Virgo. Doon muna tayo sa new moon, ano? New moon is all about new beginnings, eh. But for now, dahil ito ay nasa sign mo, Virgo, no? By the way, happy birthday, no? Kasi ito, birth month mo na. Maaring itong new beginning na ito ay nakakonsentrate, dahil ito nagbibigay ito ng chance sa'yo para makita mo yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo, 'di ba? And some of you pwedeng may mga rest and renewal na ginagawa or gagawain, especially the moon is in Virgo, so this is your time out para sa mga bagay na nagpapa-stress sa'yo. Yung iba naman, maybe a massage or going on the spa and or salon, kung ano man, doing something new sa iyong health, sa iyong body, or maybe going to the nature. This is like possible during this time. Ang start nga pala ang new moon nga pala is on September 3 dito sa Philippines, pero dun sa ibang bansa pwedeng nagsimula nung September 2. Pero ito 2 to 3 days, maybe even a week, pwedeng ayun na maging effect niya. Because it is on your sign, this is like new beginning para magkaroon ka ng refreshment or new look sa iyo. Or pwede rin naman yung outlook mo sa buhay or sa ginagawa mo sa buhay, pwedeng magkaroon ng mga bago dito. Maybe may mga matutunan ka or may mga gusto kang matutunan na pwedeng, this is about yourself, self-development, kung ano yung madedevelop mo pa sa sarili mo na pwedeng may apply mo sa buhay mo. And this is your time wherein you will evolve and grow as a person. Lalo na napaka-favorable nitong new moon kasi nga nasa sign mo ito. And also, it's all about you, Virgo, no? The stars, they are telling you na ikaw muna, sarili mo muna. Tama na yung iba, 'di ba? Focus on yourself, focus on your development. What do you think this development na maya-add mo pa sa sarili mo? And ano ba yung tingin mong kailangan ng sarili mo na ibigay mo naman sa sarili mo? Especially kung hindi mo naman yung normally ginagawa. Maybe lagi na lang sila or ang pagbibigay mo lagi sa iba ay sobra na tapos kaunti na lang natitira sa sarili mo. Maybe this is the time na sarili mo naman ang isipin mo. And then you will figure out, no, kung ano yung mangyayari right after mag-focus mo sa sarili mo. Always remember na itong journey ng life mo, it all begins with a single step. Hindi naman agad-agad yung pagbabago, agad-agad ayan na eh. Kumbaga, or kung ano man itong mga bagay na gustong mai-add or matutunan, hindi naman agad-agad bukas alam mo na. So, some of you, pwedeng there's something like maybe a new talent, new skills na gusto mong ma-develop, gusto mong malaman. One step at a time. Okay? One step at a time. And eventually, once you start this step, nagsimula ka maglakad sa step na yan, kung ano man yung mga gusto mong idagdag or matutunan or new beginning sa buhay mo, eventually mararating mo rin yung mga bagay na gusto mong marating, This is your chance to, maybe look closer kung sino ka ba talaga. Ano na ba talagang ginagawa mo ngayon? Are you happy with what you are doing? Kung ano yung mga outcome ng mga ginagawa mo? Okay? Maybe with regards to your look, are you satisfied? Are you happy with the looks or bagay na ipinapakita mo sa ibang tao? Might be some of you, you want to change your wardrobe, you want to change your appearance. So, ayan, yung pagbabago ng appearance, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo maisipan din yan during this time. It's about you and yourself and kung ano yung mga bagay na gusto pang matutunan sa buhay mo. Okay? Um, Sabi nga natin habang tumatanda, no, hindi naman yan nag-e-end sa school yung learnings. Yung iba, ikaw na bahala ang dumiscover doon sa sarili mo. Okay? And also, because it's happening on your sign, kaya lang meron tayong nakikita ditong restrictions or limitations, and it is having opposition with the planet of Saturn. At the Saturn is on Pisces. So, yung iba sa inyo, maybe ang nagbibigay ng restriction sa'yo or limitation sa'yo is maybe your partner, your one-on-one relationship. Maybe if you are already married, yung marriage na yan. Maybe if you're dealing with a partner, especially if you're dealing with a partner na walang kasupport-support sa mga bagay na ginagawa mo, like never mind them. Kasi nakakakita tayo dito ng mga tao, like maybe even a best friend or someone na parang hindi ka binibigyan ng pagpapahalaga or suporta. Never mind them. You don't need them. What you need now is yourself. Nabuhay ka dito sa mundong to na okay ka naman and you can handle your own yourself. No? Kung ano yung gusto mong matutunan, yung new beginning na yan, ibigay mo yan sa sarili mo. Sabi ko nga kanina, ang isipin mo naman ngayon is yung sarili mo, hindi yung kung ano yung iisipin ng iba, kung ano yung mai-add nila, mai-comment nila, whatever. Don't mind them. Mind your own business yourself. And full moon. Okay? This full moon, mangyayari siya dito sa Philippines on September 18, pero sa mga ibang country, maybe September 17. Ayan. It's 25 degree Pisces. So, itong full moon na ito is, full moon is about endings. Full moon is about new beginnings din. No, especially na might be meron kang mga bagay na hindi pinapansin sa situation mo, sa sarili mo in the past na pwedeng hinahayaan mo lang or kinikibit balikat mo lang. You know, this full moon, not necessarily September 18, nabanggit ko lang yung date, pero give it at least 2 to 3 days or even a week before and after yung effect nito. So, nakikita natin dito that this full moon, eventually, no, pwedeng naka-highlight ito sa emotions mo. What do you think is yung mga bagay or sitwasyon na dapat baguhin with regards to your partner, with regards to these people na may one-on-one relationship ka, maybe a business partner, maybe may kontrata kayo, maybe or maybe even marriage or partnership. Nakita tayo dito ng big changes. If something is no longer working, maybe a relationship for you that is no longer working, maybe this is the time for you na harapin ito, i-end ito because, you know, might be, I mean, you need to speak out. This is you speaking out. Lalo na yung new moon, ano, nandun din yung Mercury, which is, Mercury is your ruling planet. It's on your sign. Okay? It's on your sign. And nakakita tayo dito ng yung iba sa inyo, pwede may mga sisimulan din na partnership. Or if this is, maybe a business na no longer working, you need to end this, etc. So, because full moon, lunar eclipse, full moon, pwedeng mag-end din ito. Or whatever things na kailangan i-end with regards to partnership. Yung iba naman, it is signifying like a new beginning. Dahil pwedeng mas mabanggit mo, mas masabi mo, yung hinanaing mo, yung nasa sarili mo, ano ba talaga yung tingin mo with regards sa isang business? Is it still working? Ano yung dapat baguhin or simulan doon sa particular area na yan? Especially the 7th house rules your partnership, your marriage, and these people na may mga na involved dito is pwedeng nagbibigay ng limitasyon sa iyo kung bakit hindi mo ma-reach yung full potential mo. And some of you, yun nga, pwedeng magkakaroon ng pag-i-end. But yung ending is always necessary para makuha mo yung mas better opportunity, mas mag-a-align sa path mo. And some of you, these are collaborations, whoever these people, committed connection relationship. Some of you, pwede magkakaroon ng, you will set healthy boundaries sa mga taong ito. And these are close connections for you, no? Na some of you, maybe you will be making an important commitment around this time, collaboration sa isang project. Yung iba naman, pwedeng someone in your life, someone who is important sa'yo or significant in your life is pwedeng may tough moments na pagdadaanan siya and kailangan niya ng support mo. So, yeah, some of you, it's like a person who will need your support during this time. Especially nandito yung Neptune kasama niya, and the full moon is there in the sign of Pisces. So, this is like someone who is very spiritual, or you feel like, if you feel like yung person nito needs you or wants to talk to you, communicate with you, some of you, ikaw yung magawa ng actions to do that, kasi might be there's this thing na nag-e-end dito sa person na to, and this person needs your support, this person needs you. Okay, so whatever itong magiging effect nitong full moon na ito sa'yo, whether it's a new beginning or an ending or changes, this is a big shift for you na magbibigay ng mas makulay na susunod na new beginnings or resulta para sa'yo. So, I wish you luck, and hopefully nakuha mo yung message para sa'yo doon. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and please do comment down below, kahit po heart lang, smileys, malaking bagay sa akin. Maraming salamat po. I love you all, and bye-bye.